Meaning of dividend. Dividend is the part of profit of a company which is distributed among its shareholders. When a company earns profit, it can either keep it for future use or distribute a portion to shareholders as a reward for their investment. Dividend is usually paid in cash, but sometimes it can also be given in the form of bonus shares. 2 important points about dividend. Dividend is paid only to shareholders, not to debenture holders. It is not compulsory. The company may or may not declare it depending on profits and financial position. It is declared by the board of directors and approved by shareholders in a general meeting. Dividend can be paid only out of profits, not out of capital, except in special cases allowed by law. 3 Rules for distribution of dividend in a public company. The Companies Act provides strict rules to protect investors and ensure fair distribution. Dividend can be paid only out of profits. A company can declare dividend only from current year profits after depreciation, or past accumulated profits, or money provided by government, in special cases. Depreciation must be provided first. Before declaring dividend, the company must deduct depreciation on its assets. This ensures true profit is calculated. Transfer to reserves, if required. A portion of profit may be transferred to reserves before declaring dividend, though it is not always compulsory. No dividend out of capital. Dividend cannot be paid from capital because it would reduce the company's financial strength. Declaration by shareholders. The board recommends the dividend, but final declaration is done by shareholders in the annual general meeting, AGM. Shareholders cannot declare more than what is recommended. Separate bank account. Once dividend is declared, the company must deposit the amount in a separate bank account within the prescribed time, generally within 5 days. Payment within time limit. Dividend must be paid within 30 days from the date of declaration. Unpaid dividend account. If dividend is not claimed within 30 days, it must be transferred to an unpaid dividend account. If still unclaimed for 7 years, it goes to the Investor Education and Protection Fund, EPF. Proportionate payment. Dividend must be paid in proportion to the amount paid on shares. If shares are partly paid, dividend is given accordingly. Interim dividend. The board of directors can declare interim dividend between 2 AGMs if the company is earning profits. Compliance with Articles of Association. Dividend must be declared according to the company's Articles of Association. 4 Simple case study. Case: XYZ Limited declares dividend. XYZ Limited earned a profit of 20 lakh rupees in a year. After deducting depreciation of 5 lakh rupees, the net profit becomes 15 lakh rupees. The board decided to recommend a dividend of 6 lakh rupees. Process followed. 6 lakh rupees was recommended by the board. Shareholders approved it in AGM. Company deposited 6 lakh rupees in a separate bank account. Dividend was paid within 30 days. Some shareholders did not claim their dividend. That amount was transferred to the unpaid dividend account and later to EPF after 7 years. Simple understanding. The company followed all legal rules, paid dividend only from profit, deducted depreciation, and ensured proper distribution and record keeping. 5. Conclusion. Dividend is an important return for shareholders, but it must be distributed carefully following legal rules. These rules protect both the company's financial health and shareholders' interests. Improper payment of dividend can lead to legal penalties.